Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule emails on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our mail app on your iPhone. And from here, click on this compose icon at the bottom right hand corner. And just type in the email that you want to send the email to. And then the subject, and then the message. Now, once you have set up the message on your email, you should see this arrow up icon, and what you're going to do is to press and hold on that. Press and hold, and these options should appear. So to schedule it, you can click on send later right here to customize on when you want to send the email to. So just click on send later, and then you can set up a date. For example, I want to send it on November 3, and then the time would be 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. like that, and you can then change the time zone as well. Just click on done once you have set that up, and that should immediately be sent, and saved as a draft, and it will be sent as scheduled. So if you want to do this on Gmail, just open up your Gmail account. Click on the compose icon at the bottom right part of the screen. Do the same, type in the subject, the email, and the message. And then click on this three-dotted icon, and then click on schedule send, and then click on pick date and time, and you can just set it like you did before. So that is how you basically schedule emails on iPhone. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.